Hey folks, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is I Shot the Sheriff by Bob Marley or Eric Clapton or many others. We're going to play the melody, the chord, understand what a reggae guitar is, or the reggae rhythm guitar, and improvise a little bit to the track which I created for you. I created an own version. There are many different versions of this song, so don't take me out on this is not Bob Marley, this is not Eric Clapton. It's about reggae guitar, the chords, the melody, and some fun. Yeah, but before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button. That's how it sounds. Then in between a little bit of improvisation. Now the signature thing. And now comes the signature thing, this one here. And so on and so on and so on. It's really fun, so let's get started. Okay guys, we're talking about reggae guitar. So reggae guitar in general is pretty simple to understand. It's always offbeat. So this track is actually half time. It's but I read down the tabs in full time. So it's you play 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Well, let me switch off the delay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. That's the way it's played. So you always play the off or the 2 or 4, you know. So in this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's how it's played. And the chords in this case are G minor 7. So we're just playing a G minor here in the 3rd fret, a bar here over the 3rd fret. So 1 and always downstroke. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4. And there's a little variation here. But you can also, if you want to play the really steady thing, it's always off. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. But in this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2. Then it switches to C minor 7. There's a bar here in the 3rd fret, middle finger in the 4th, and ring finger in the 5th. C minor 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. I'm gonna show you with the track. Eric Clapton. Oh, I thought the second part comes here. So that is played 4 times. Then comes the second part. This will be a E flat major 7 chord. Here in the 6th fret, 8, 8, and middle finger in the 7th. So 6, 8, pinky in the 8 on the B string, and ring finger, the middle finger on the 7th fret on the G string. So you make a bar here, so that this note is top note because it's the melody, and then D7 sharp 9, 5th fret, 4th fret, 5th fret, 6th fret, and then 1. So the second part is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4. Let's do that. about to happen here on the backing track. I was just now. 4 times. And now comes the signature part. It's just pentatonics. We are in G minor, so we're playing G minor pentatonics. 3rd, 6th, 3rd, 5th, 3rd, 5th, 3rd, 5th. And now it goes like this. Just is really simple. You can play it either here or in the octave. It starts in the 5th fret, 5, 3, 5, 3, 6, 3, 5, 3, 6, 3. So like this, or if you want to do in the octave, same thing in the pentatonics. Let's do this part. Let me quickly rewind here a little bit on the backing track to show you. So or in the octave. And then the whole thing starts from the beginning. Let's do the whole thing now. And that's, as I said, it's the Eric Clapton version, which I heard. A live version was faster, but the studio version is slower. The Bob Marley version is way slower and has more, a little bit another arrangement. But the essence of reggae guitar and the essence of the chord structure is this one here. And as far as I know, all versions are played in G minor, at least the Eric Clapton version. If it's in other key, or if you sing it and you need another key, just move it to another key. That's not a brainer, you know. So let's do the whole thing now. This part 4 times. Yo, and so on. Yeah. By the way, you guys probably know or already know that I grew up in Jamaica. I lived 4 years there. And the guys, the movement, the reggae guys, you call them, on Jamaica, you call them Rastafari, not Rastafari. You call them Rastafari. Yeah. I was living near Kingston, and that's the place where all this thing happened. I was a small kid when reggae was invented on Jamaica. Was living there. So I have a special connection to reggae, I must say. Yeah. Good. Now let's see the melody. I mean, the melody is, of course, you sing it, but you can also play it, and I love to play an instrumental version. I shot the sheriff, but I did not shoot no deputy. You can, I mean, it's pentatonics, you know. And you can variate it the way you want. if you listen to the, I'm just gonna show you a core version which you can work out yourself, you know. So it will be like this. Starts here, the third fret, B string. I shot the sheriff, but I did not shoot no deputy. That's how it's played here. Yeah, and you repeat that 4 times, and you can make variations. I'm going to show you after that. And then the second part is Sheriff Brown, I think Sheriff Brown. Sheriff Brown always hated me. Something like this is also here. I'm going to show you the whole thing. It's really... But I did not shoot no deputy. They have a lot of time for intros. I shot the sheriff, but I did not shoot no deputy. And I have time for fill-ins. Again. I forgot the lyrics here. I think Sheriff Brown always said. And now once again. And now comes the and so on. It's really simple. What you can do to make it more interesting, you can play the refrain with Sheriff Brown always hated me. You play 1 octave higher, that will be here. That's really cool. Now about fill-ins, you can do any kind of fill-ins, of course, the typical ones. Any kind of bluesy pentatonic fill-ins work out really fine. So we're gonna play a version now with the melody and with fill-ins, just simple stuff. I'm going up to the octave, would be here in the 10, 8, 6 fret. It's more interesting to go up, of course. And yeah, I'm just gonna play it. Melody. Fill. Now we go in the octave. And again. And I can go in the soloing. Keep it cool. Coolness is the key to reggae, you know. Hey guys, that was I Shot the Sheriff. I mean, the theme is the basis. You sing the theme, and by the way you play reggae guitar, that's what I wanted to show to you with this example here. And the main thing is the vibe. You know, when you come to Jamaica, ya Rastamana, ya Rastafariamana. It's the way they talk there. I know it. I lived there as a kid. Probably that's why I'm so relaxed. A relaxed person. Everything is way easy, mana, you know. Probably they smoke too much ganja there. That's also a problem. But however, the main thing is really the vibe on reggae. Just and this 1, 2, 3, and on the soling, just keep it cool. If you want to add a wah-wah. Bob Marley used a lot the wah-wah. It also works pretty cool. Yo, if you want to download the backing track and the tabs, what I showed you, they're available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Please join there. Basic membership is for free. You can discuss there, follow my all my activities as a musician there. Also discuss with other students. If you want to download the tabs and the backing track, then you need to make the premium membership upgrade. And please do so to support my work. Please also share my channel to all your friends. Please support my channel and tell others about it, because any support is needed in these crazy times. For artists, it's not so easy, I must say. So please support the work which me and Dr. Pink are doing for you guys out there. I have a lot of cool new ideas which I want to share very soon. Good. That's about it. Me and Dr. Pink are signing off and playing a little bit more for you. Ciao.